Alright, so we're gonna use some Glisten. Y'all haven't seen Glisten yet? It's supposed to be disposal, not disposer. It does the same exact thing. So somebody was trying to open this. Don't y'all see what it says? Do not open it. Oh, and if y'all haven't noticed, we got a new splash guard. Right. Oh, and we've already let the hot water run for, it's very hot. Oh wait, no it ain't. I thought I left this on hot. Supposed to let it run for 1 minute. Just runs the hot water as hot as it'll get. Make it to a pencil and trickle. There we go. It's getting hot. So it's already been a minute. So you gotta grab your packet here. You put it in there. Put the disposal off. Now you turn on your disposal. Run for 1 to 2 minutes. And I can hear the cold still down in there. I'm just gonna try and get some of this to go back, like, try that boom going. So we have to wait until all of this disappears. Okay, it's sort of like going down. Oh. And if you want, you could switch it back to cold. I don't really know if you're supposed to do this, but I'm just going to turn it off and rinse the fold down. I think it just meant you don't have, I think it just meant that you have to let the water run. It's not draining quick. This will help. Oh no! It's coming up. Why is it doing that? In. Wow, the sprayer's just making it. Glisten really does do good. Oh my gosh. I think I'm just gonna have to rinse this away. Yeah. In. Oh, I think I should turn it back on. So that go in. See if it can drain. I'm just gonna try and get some of this to go back down in. No, 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 no. Would you stop trying to come up? It'll eventually go down. No, no. Let's see. That'll help. Sorry this is taking too long. The foam will not go down it. Thank you. Well, that's it. Bye.